Do you think international trips are expensive? But what if I tell you can travel to countries like Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia and Vietnam in just rupees 1.5 lakhs? Sounds amazing, right? But trust me, it's totally possible and today I'm going to show you how. From flights to accommodation, food, activities and even how to get around, I've got you covered. Let's start with the best part, choosing the perfect destination. Southeast Asia is your best option if you're looking to stretch your budget without compromising on experience. Countries like Thailand offer a vibrant mix of beaches, nightlife and culture without the heavy price tag. Next up, Vietnam, a food lover's paradise with unbeatable street food and gorgeous landscapes, all at a fraction of the cost of Western destinations. And if you are after a romantic getaway or a scenic escape, Indonesia, especially Bali, is a dream. Stunning beaches, lush greenery and laid-back vibes make it the ideal spot for relaxation. Plus, destinations like Malaysia and Sri Lanka offer a perfect balance of city life and nature. All of these destinations deliver fantastic value for money and are perfect for a budget-friendly getaway. If you still need help in choosing your perfect destination, watch this perfect short video to help you decide. Okay, let's talk about one of the most crucial factors, flights. For a round trip to South Asia, you will be looking at about 25,000 to 45,000 per person, depending on when and how you book. Here's how you can save big on flights. Book 45 to 60 days in advance to score the best deals. Use search engines like Skyscanner or Google Flights for the most affordable options. Be flexible with your travel dates. Avoid weekends and peak seasons to get cheaper fares. Have some extra time so that you can take advantage of connecting flights. Pro tip: flying out of major hubs like Delhi or Mumbai tends to be cheaper, so make the most of it. Now let's look at where you will stay. You do not have to stay in a fancy resort to have an amazing trip. In Southeast Asia, there are plenty of budget-friendly options. Think budget hotels. Prices range from 2,000 to 4,000 per night for a decent place with good breakfast. For a 5-night stay, you will spend around 10,000 to 20,000 in total, an absolute steal compared to Western destinations. And here's the best part, if you're traveling with a friend or a partner, you can split the cost, making it even cheaper. Now let's talk about food, probably the highlight of your trip. In countries like Thailand, Vietnam and Indonesia, street food isn't just cheap, it's absolutely delicious. From Pad Thai in Bangkok to Pho in Hanoi and Nasi Goreng in Bali, you are in for a treat. You can easily enjoy local meals for just 800 to 1500 per day. So for 15 days, expect to spend 5,000 to 8,000 on food, way less than dining at touristy spots. Plus, if you avoid the tourist traps and eat where the locals do, you will be eating like royalty on a budget. But if you are vegetarian, be sure to double check the ingredients of your food and prefer Indian restaurants, which are widely available in all these locations. Getting around these countries is super affordable, and since we are your travel agency, we'll handle your transportation needs. No need to worry about taxis or haggling for fares, we have got it covered for you. As for activities, there's so much to do. From island tours in Thailand to cruise experiences in Vietnam and exploring temples and waterfalls in Indonesia, the possibilities are endless. You can research the spots you want to visit on Instagram or YouTube and prepare a custom itinerary based on your taste or budget. Or if you choose a travel agent like us, we can help you plan the entire itinerary as per your choice without wasting any of your precious time. Total expenses for activities and transportation will range from 12 to 20,000, again super affordable when you consider the quality of experiences you are getting. Good news, the visa process for these destinations is straightforward. Thailand or Malaysia provide visa on arrival or easy e-visa. Vietnam has quick e-visa process while Indonesia provide visa on arrival. The visa and travel insurance combined will cost around 3,000 to 6,000 per person. Travel insurance is a small investment but can save you a lot if anything goes wrong. Total budget. Let's break down the total cost for 2 people. Flights 50 to 90,000, accommodation 20 to 30,000, food 10 to 16,000, activities and local transport 15 to 25,000, visa and miscellaneous 6 to 10,000. So the total budget for a 5-day trip for 2 people comes out to around 1.5 lakh, and that includes everything: flights, stay, food, activities, and even transportation with no hidden cost. Before we wrap up, here are some pro travel tips to make your trip even smoother. Travel in the shoulder season like May or September for the best deals. Pack light to avoid excess baggage fees. Use a forex card instead of carrying too much cash. Now you have got everything you need to plan your dream international trip under rupees 1.5 lakhs for two, whether you are craving adventure or relaxation. Southeast Asia has something for everyone.